Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from eLearning Portal. In this video, I will show you how to restore a course from a backed up file. Okay, first, I'm going to show you how to create an automatic backup, and then I'll show you how to create or how to restore a course from a backup. Okay, so let me show you how this is done. Click on Site Administration. Under Site Administration, click on Courses. And once courses are open, scroll down to where you see Backups. And under Backups, you can scroll down to where you find Automated Backup Setup. Okay, you'll see mine is currently disabled. If you enable this, and then schedule a time, let's say it's Sunday. At what time do you want to execute it? So let's say at 7 o'clock it's Sunday. Automated backup storage, where do you want to store the file? Okay, so it will be in the course backup file area. Then you can specify a name in here where to save it to. Also the maximum number of backups you want to keep. And here I set mine to 1. Then delete backups older than. When should the backups be deleted? And mine is on never. Then the minimum number of backups kept. And you can specify here how many backups should be kept. And then use course name in backup file name. And this is usually unchecked. Skip hidden courses. So you don't want to back up hidden courses, and then skip courses not modified since 3 days. And then skip courses not modified since previous backup. Okay. Also, what should the automated backup look like? All the settings in the automated backup. Include the users, yes. Include the role assignments. Include activities and resources. Include blocks. Include files. Include filters. Include comments and badges and calendar events. Also completion information, as well as the question bank, as well as groups and groupings and competencies if you developed competencies, as well as the content bank, as well as the legacy course files. So all this is okay. If you're happy with the backup settings, the automated backup settings, as well as when it needs to run and the specific time, you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. Now that will save the changes, and an automatic backup will run each Sunday, in my case, at 7 o'clock, and it will back up my courses, and it will store it in my course backup file area. Okay, so now that's out of the way, let me show you how to restore a course that we've previously backed up. In our previous video, we created a backup called Maths 2022, and we've downloaded it. And now we're going to restore it to a new course. Okay, so since we're in this course, we can use the restore button and restore it to the original course, or we can create a new course and restore it in that course. So let's first create a new course. So I'll go to my courses. And within this area, I'll click on More and add a new course. I'll give it a name. I'll call this my test maths course 2022. And I'll copy that name and I'll paste it here in my short name. Okay, I'll uncheck this. I'll use the course format, the topics format, and I'll leave everything on its default. I'll click on Save and Display. So here my new course is created. Okay, so now in my new course, I'll scroll down, and under my course administration, you'll see just underneath backup, there's restore. So now click on restore, and it will ask you the file to restore it from. Okay, so I'll drag this downloaded backup file into the file upload box. I'll wait for it to upload completely. Another option would have been to just click on restore here, and it will do exactly the same that I'm doing here. Okay, so once the upload is complete, click on restore. And this will prepare the file, and you will get a detailed view of what will be backed up or restored. And here you can see everything that will be restored. And in this block here it says user info. Remember, we've unchecked the user info. All these activities will be restored within the new course. We can click on continue. Now you need to specify, should I restore it as a new course? And you can click on whether it should be restored in the mathematics for homeschooling, or in miscellaneous, or in benchmark test, or in e-learning for teachers. Or you can scroll down, restore it into this course, meaning the course we've just created. And I want to choose this option. Or you can restore it into an existing course, and then you need to select the course where you want to restore it into. Okay, so there are three options: either as a new course, or in this course that we're currently in, we're in Test Maths Course 2022, or restore it in an existing course where you need to specify or select the existing course. I want to choose this option for now, restore into this course, and I click on continue. Now it gives me a breakdown of everything that will be restored. I click on next. You'll see here from the top, include permissions, include activities and resources, include blocks, include filters, calendar events, groups and groupings, competencies, everything I've selected in my backup file. Okay, I click on next, and here you'll see include enrollment methods. I didn't select that. I click on next. It asks me now override course configurations. I said no, everything is fine as on its default, but I can make changes to these. Okay, and these are all the activities within my course I want to restore. I click on next. A breakdown again of what will be restored. I scroll down and I click on perform restore. You'll see you have various available opportunities to change settings while you're busy with the restore process. I click on perform restore, and now Moodle will restore the course within the course we've created. Okay, so there the course was restored successfully. Clicking the continue button will take you to the view the new course. Okay, so let's click on continue, and there you'll see my course is being restored to my new course. And this is how easy it is to restore a course from a backed up file. Okay, make sure that you create either a new course or restore it in an existing course. Okay, I really hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for further videos on my channel.